Good morning class. How are you all? I hope you all are well. Okay. Come to today's topic. The topic is script and society of Mesopotamia. We will understand with this diagram the society of Mesopotamia. Script. Okay. Understanding the society of Mesopotamia, this diagram I am making here. In Mesopotamia, in society there are three groups. Group A, Group B and Group C. What are these groups? These three groups shows the classes. Class 1, Class B or Class C. Or we can also say upper class society, middle class society, and third one is a lower class society or lower class. In upper class is reserved only for the kings and their families or priests or respected peoples of Mesopotamia. In middle class comes all the merchants, weavers, craftsmen, potters and actually the working people. In lower class comes slave people. In upper class, king and his family. In middle class comes farmers, merchants, etc. weavers. In lower class, slaves. Okay. Family was the basic unit of society. The head of the family was the father. Children were under the strict supervision and only the boys can go for study outside. The girls can only do the household work in Mesopotamia civilization. Slaves belong to the lower class. Now, the script of Mesopotamia. There are two important points related to script. The greatest achievement of the Mesopotamian was the invention of the art of writing. Art of writing is a invention of Mesopotamia civilization. Mesopotamians were the first to invent a pictographic form of writing known as cuneiform. What is cuneiform? Cuneiform is a picture-like symbols were written on the wet clay tablets with a sharp pen, and that pen was made by the metal or any bone. The tablets were then baked in the sun on fire. The pictographs on the tablets represented an object or idea. One more important point, the people, see here, The people who wrote on these tablets were called scripts or scribes. People who know the skill or knowledge about the cuneiform, they are scripts. They know how to write or what is written on a cuneiform. Cuneiform is a picture-like symbol written on wet clay. Okay, children. So these are the two important points related to Mesopotamia. That was the script and that we have learned right now. Script and society. There are three types of society: upper class, middle class and lower class society. Upper class society mainly reserved for the prince, kings or his families. Okay, in middle class, merchants, weavers, workers, farmers, they are in middle class family, and in lower class family mostly slaves. Okay, in scripts there are two main points. They invent the art of writing. That time, invention of the art of writing, that term is called the cuneiform, and cuneiform is a symbol. Okay, and scripts, the people who wrote on these tablets called scripts. Next topic, Hammurabi, we will discuss in next class. Thank you, class.